pH is what tells us how acidic or basic something is. How you find the pH is by measuring tiny hydrogen ions. pH is measured on a scale. This is called the pH scale. This scale goes from 0 to 14. This tells us how acidic or basic the pH is. Below 7 is acidic. 7 is perfect, it's neutral. Above 7 is basic. The lower the more acidic, the higher the more basic. Indicator pH strips are kind of like this scale, but they go by color. So whatever color is, then that decides how acidic or how basic it is. Here is an example of one being used.
The difference between acid and bases are acid releases hydrogen ions. Their pH is below 7 and they usually have a sour taste. They can react with metals, and stronger acids release a lot of hydrogen ions while weaker ones don't release as much. But bases accept or take hydrogen ions, or they release hydroxide ions in water. Their pH is above 7 and they usually feel slippery like soap and have a bitter taste. They neutralize acids. Strong bases release lots of hydroxide ions, where weaker ones release less. In this video we are about to show, we do a reaction with baking soda and vinegar. Vinegar is an acidic liquid, so vinegar is between 2 and 3 on the pH scale. This is very acidic. Baking soda is a base, so baking soda will neutralize the vinegar because it's an acid. Baking soda is a 9 on the pH scale, and this means baking soda is very basic.
To explain this reaction, vinegar is an acidic acid which has extra hydrogen ions, but baking soda is a sodium bicarbonate. During the beginning of the reaction, the hydrogen ions from the vinegar rush towards the bicarbonate, which creates a base. The acid starts to become unstable, which is why it ends with the water and carbon dioxide gas.
And these are the sites that are source.